Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live. What's that? I'll have that coming up. I am so excited to announce that starting next week, Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live, my new show will be premiering. Now it will normally air on Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and go till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the format of the show is normally I'm going to try to have a special guest each week that we'll talk to them for maybe about 20 minutes to a half hour or so, depending upon their schedule. And then the last half of the show, we'll go over news, rumors, anything of interest, and I'll field some of your questions that are out there. The first show, however, is going to premiere Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time due to the availability of our very special guest. Who's our very special guest for the first time? Sally French, none other than the Drone Girl. I'm sure you've probably seen her on Twitter. You've seen her blog. She's on YouTube, Facebook. Just a tremendous advocate for drones. You will not want to miss this show. And just personally speaking, I absolutely love her on Twitter, and her blog is probably one of the best out there on drones. I'll put some links in the description so you can definitely check that out. Sally's fantastic. She's known internationally. This is going to be a show that you will not want to miss. I am so excited to have her on. I was doing cartwheels when I found out that she accepted, and I'm really honored to have her on here. So be sure to set your clocks so you're not going to want to miss this show. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. Also, check out my blog where I do post all my videos as well. Thanks for watching and happy flying.